Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go over server and workstation upgrades within the work environment.
Hey guys, Roland and Josh with Impress Computers, and one of the things that we do for our managed service clients is we actually set everything up in advance on the bench so that when we get to the client site everything's set up and ready to go. For example, this client, we've got a Dell server and some Lenovo workstations. So Josh, tell us a little bit about kind of what we're doing, the process.
So this particular client is actually a farmer's insurance customer, so we have to actually go through and do BitLocker for each of the systems to make sure that they actually have good encryption on their drives, and then after that we go through and we basically update all the machines, make sure they're up to date, and then he's getting a new server, so he's getting new server, new machines. So what we're doing is we're actually going to set up the server, we're going to join all the machines to the domain, so then when we go on site he's not going to have that much downtime. The main downtime would just be transferring the data across from the old machines to the new machines. Everything will pretty much be plug and play when we get there, so that way it reduces the downtime for us and for them as well. So it's more about saving time so they can keep working while everything else is put in place.
So pretty much we can sit here, get everything configured on the bench, make sure it's all running correctly. When we get there, put it in, and it really makes the process go a lot quicker. So if you're looking for that type of solution, give us a call, 281-647-9977.